today we're doing a cherry. We're doing sparkle cherry bomb explosion. Ah!
Careful.
That was the explosion. Maybe I need a little bit of... Okay, let's start. We're gonna mix them together at the end because they're the same. Oh wait, before I add any more, make sure to go check out our video where we did this one, the pop star party, purple, and the pop star party, pink pop star princess party. Go and check out Princess and the Pop Star. It's a movie. Yeah, thank you, Barbie. It's from Barbie. We love it. Try to get as much glue as I can add as possible. I'm about ready to add my magic balls. They're your cherry balls. Okay, that's good. Okay. Here you go. Here's the ingredients. There's the spoon and I have to get a really big spoon. I want to put a really big spoon too. Okay, I'm gonna mix mine a little bit. Whoa. This is gonna be really cool. Whoa. Hey, Ambreen, can you hold the spoon while I squeeze it? Here, I'll squeeze it. That sounds so amazing. Mine's starting to turn into slime. You need the water. But I need one more. Do you think this looks good enough? This is science. We're doing science. Science time. This is gonna be super cool. Want some of the feels so nice. It's still gluey for me. Yeah, mine's still a bit gluey. Mascara. Yeah, that's me. This is so cool. I love the texture of the feeling of the foam balls in between my fingers. You mean the cherries? She meant the cherries. Ah, no! Washing my hands. I'm getting so messy. I'm washing my hands. Wash with soap. Spring break! I have now washed my hands. What? I'm putting my some in there because I need some of that to wash. Now we're gonna end this video here. We love you guys. Thank you for watching our Cherry Bomb Sunday video. We love you all. Thanks for watching Sister Kingdom Corner. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And also post this on your social medias. Hey, it's called soap. It's called social media. So we love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. Just kind of